So this is the third day that Uliki is in Copenhagen. I'm enjoying myself. I'm actually enjoying myself playing this. I'm definitely gonna enjoy that. Hello, and welcome back to Soviet Republic, and welcome back to another episode of us trying to make sense of this mess that we are creating. Well, this is the second episode that I'm not reading the comments and not addressing any issues, because this is being recorded way before I actually published the previous video. This is just because Uliki is traveling and he's having a cold one with his buddy Dano. So yeah, we were gonna catch up on next episode. That will be Tuesday. We're gonna catch up on that one, and hopefully that's gonna be more eventful. Anyway, if you did follow us in the previous episode, so we started producing our own electronics. We are importing a lot of stuff like plastics, not chemicals, but I think we're importing plastics. Let's see. Chemicals, I think we are distributing our own. We can check here the chemicals. Customs House is only getting plastics, and then here we're getting chemicals from this from this little building over here. And of course we are distributing chemicals all from the only chemical factory that we have. This is a Chemplast. We renamed it last time the Chemplast because it's chemicals related to plastic production, and that's how it's gonna be from now on. We were gonna be building more chemical factories. We're gonna need to. At the moment, we discussed that only a third of this capacity, 1.6 tons. We're gonna be producing right. So what we're gonna be doing is producing 0.81 tons of chemicals. That means that we're gonna be producing the this is going to be enough for, I believe, 1/3 of the capacity of plastics, which is 4.8 tons, I believe. We can really quickly check this as well in fossil fuels. 4.9, it's almost 5 tons. So we're going to be producing around 1.6 tons of chemicals. But the problem with this is these chemicals are not going to be used for production of actual electronics, which we do need chemicals for, or electrical components. That means that we're gonna need another chemical factory, and I'm thinking about doing a little bit of work on that. Now bear in mind that we are producing one big chemical factory over here, which only needs to be put in production as soon as possible, and hopefully that's gonna be it. As you can see, it's without drinking water, which we are working on. It is without sewage connection, which we are working on, electricity as well. All of that stuff is going to be resolved shortly. I'm just waiting for the roads to be finished so we can start delivering materials like crude oil. We can put it as a store this item as well. Here we're going to need gravel. As you can see, we need gravel, we're gonna need wood. We can select wood here, we already did. And then crops are gonna be in a silo. So this is gonna be our big chemical factory that's gonna be producing chemicals that are necessary for nuclear production. In the meantime, we had to get another loan. In the last episode, we got another loan, which, oh, stop production, that's fine. How you doing? This is our new pub that is gonna make our old pub obsolete. Look at this beauty, huh? Huh? Where's the actual building? This is also vanilla, but actual building is downstairs where the bartenders are. Well, it looks quite nice. I think it looks quite nice. Right. So let's see if we have alcohol delivered. Yes, we have. That's perfect. We talked about, let's go, remove. Citizen happiness. Did we already finish the buildings? These are the new buildings that we are building over here. That's great. Are you in a walking distance from the Bus station? Ha! Barely. 387 meters. We do have a couple of more tall buildings being constructed here that require steel and prefab panels. And steel is a big one. Steel is still a big one. We only have 25% steel than like maximum capacity. Our trucks are working around the clock to restock everything. But we are back on track with the bricks. So, our main goal now is to get the electronics production up and running fully. That means that we're gonna have to... That means that we're gonna have to go and address the issues with plastics, address the issues with chemicals, chemicals being the main thing. I believe until the nuclear industries are done, we can utilize this existing, this existing chemical factory, but unfortunately still not operational, and it's gonna require a lot of workers. Currently we have 600 unemployed workers. Happiness is 75%. We need to check why is that. That's not good. A large chance to buy, unemployment high, go away. So it was 83 last time we ended the episode, so something is wrong. Cultural enjoyments jumped from 82 to 83%. That's because we are addressing cultural enjoyment of our people in the radio station. But again, happiness, we need to see what's happening. Where are people unhappy? 70% around Chibovo, neighborhood of Murmansk. That's nice. Productivity dropped by 10-12%. This is a huge drop. Why is that? I have no idea. So let's see where the least happy people are. That would be around Chibovo area. Again, they're complaining about jobs. That's unfortunate. We're still missing a lot of coal for steel production that is supposed to be carrying our industry. Wow, 34%. That's... Whoa. Drinking water. What is happening here? We are over 10,000 people. There is no water here. We are delivering some water, but that is not enough. Is this the thing that is happening to us right now? Let's see let's slowly put this in production. You can see here that we do have processing 127 cubic meters of water. Now this bar here doesn't mean of a total capacity how much water can be processed. Maximum flow of processed water is 120 cubic meters, so this is over capacity. This bar here tells you how dirty the water is, how much chlorine we need to use in order to make it clean. So this bar is consumption of chlorine or chemicals to process the water. Capacity, maximum flow of processed water is 120 cubic meters. Cubic meters, yeah. Okay, so that means that the current water capacity is not enough. So what can we do? We need to increase the water treatment. Let me see if how much do you have here? Building operating without issues. This is one well. This is second well. We cannot store or export water. Uh-oh, there's a problem. What the hell happened here? Okay, so this is... okay, we're gonna pause for a cause. Okay, so let's go back to the drawing board. We have the second well here that can pump the water of the 87% quality, which is much lower than 93 that we're getting there. But can we actually process this water? Let's go and do a little bit of math. We're gonna play paused for a second. We're gonna see what's happening. We have water treatment, 120 cubic meters. We have water of pump, that is 70 cubic meters. Okay, so if this is processing 120, what? It was 127. Why is it? Was it because it had a little bit of a... This is interesting. We are literally out of water. We need more water. I don't know if this was always disconnected. I think I disconnected this just because this is an old pump. So I think we can remove this one because it's going to require a lot of chemicals to clean this water. What we can do is, in order to keep everything running smoothly, I will be removing this pump. We're gonna be producing another water pump. Let's see if we can get this one. Right next to each other. I don't see the reason not to build it here. I'm gonna build it in this direction though. North to south. F1, form over function. Here we go. So we need to put highest priority to this. This is going to be more Mann's construction office. I will assign groundwork, dumpers, and transport to this one. And we're going to assign the bus industrial 1 straight away. Okay, that's one thing we're going to do. The second thing is going to be, we're going to be building a pipe system. Pipe system, as you can see here, maximum pressure is 128 cubic meters per day. That's fine. 128, this is... Wow, this is 70, so that's not gonna be an issue. We're gonna build, really? You can go this way. All the way here. Oh, we can actually make it look nice, right? There we go. Make it look nice, build a wall. There we go. So this is the second pipe. Actually, we have a third one as well. So let's assign the groundwork. Let's assign the transport and the dumpers to this project. So yes, please. And let's go with bus 2 straight away. Yes, please. And then put it as a higher priority. We have another small project here. I'm gonna go and assign the same thing. Bus 3, groundwork, dumpers, and transport. We need all these materials delivered as soon as possible. And then do we need a second pipe? Yeah, you can see here the stupidity of Uliki's design, that we can get another pipe over here, and that's gonna be delivering all the water to the same station. But unfortunately, small brain Uliki didn't think of this that well. So what I'm gonna do is decouple this and F1. So let's see if we can go underground here and then connect it here. So we're gonna have 2 pipes connected to this system anyway. So this is going to be the new pumping stations delivering water into the existing water treatment plant, which is consuming more water than we can deliver. So we're gonna have to focus on this solely on this, well, as much as possible. I will not touch the rest of the system, but I will focus on this as a priority. We're gonna go for the groundwork, dumpers, and transport. There we go. Okay. Higher priority, and off you go. Okay, F3, let's let them build this. Now, unfortunately, this is looks like it's gonna be affecting us a little bit more. Let's see the happiness again, 3 kilometers. So we can see here, happiness here is 52%, again, without drinking water. If we go to the... How can we even know where the water is being delivered, where it's not? We can see the unhappiness of people. We can go one by one and check which buildings have water, which don't. Again, I'm pretty sure that this is capacity, because if you go to the beginning of our system, which is all the way here, we have one water substation here for the power plant, but the second one here is transporting 66 cubic meters of water per day. This is not enough. This is not enough for... I don't think it's enough for the city. 66. We can easily check that again with the happiness. What is happening here? Stop production. And that happened at the population mark 10,000, which also triggers the crime rates. We can see here 83%, 66 people without drinking water. Can we filter the people by drinking water? No, it doesn't seem like we can. But these guys don't have... these guys now have it, but these guys... Wait. Oh, this is just without a job. Looks like water is intermittent. I'm pretty sure that it's not gonna survive for long. So we're gonna need to permanently resolve our water. Yeah, right. Permanently in this game. My ass. Let's go and get some fresh mountain water here, where we're gonna build a coal mine soon. That's gonna be not influencing the quality of water at all. I'm thinking about this. Do we want it built here? The water supply above in the hills. It can help us a little bit with the gravity, but I don't think I'm gonna leave it to a chance. Okay, water infrastructure, here we go. That's definitely something that I didn't plan on constructing today, but hey ho. Water treatment big. 300 cubic meters of water. So this is gonna be our new water system, water supply system, water something system. Right, the angles. This doesn't matter where it is. Does it produce any pollution? I hope not. Pollution, no. So this can be in a city, and I'm pretty happy having this in a city. So Feng Shui, form over fun. Oh, it's actually over here. Okay, that's nice. F1, let's rotate it in this direction. Let's see if we can make it look nice. Here we go. So we have the new water treatment plant. We're gonna base everything around that. So bear in mind that it's 300. 300 is the magic number. 300 cubic meters of water. It's gonna have wastewater as well, but it's connected to the sewage system. I mean, like, it's connected to the sewage plants around. That's fine. We need 300. 300. Remember the 300. Each one of these pumping stations, they pump 70 cubic meters of water. That's great. That's nice. That's nice. We're gonna need 4 of them. 4 of them will provide us with 4 of these pumping stations will provide us with 280 cubic meters of water out of 300 that we actually need. So let's go and place them close to each other, relatively close. I'm gonna try to make it look nice, but they can be relatively close to each other. Like 2, 1, 2, 3, and let's go with 4. Maybe more uphill like this. 92, 94%. Here we go. 94% quality. So we're gonna have these. Are they high enough? I don't know. Well, actually, you know what? Let's see this. Pipe connections. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. We have 4 entrances here. I am hoping for the best. Will they be okay to deliver water there? I don't know. I can only say I don't know. I'm gonna have some cold coffee. It's actually afternoon when I'm recording this. What day? Doesn't matter. It's between when this is published on Sunday and today. And when we recorded the Thursday's episode. So yeah, anyway. What we're gonna do here is, do we really want to hope for the best here? Let me see. I don't know, these pipes look deep underground. Do I want to risk this? I don't know. Let's see what we have pumping stations wise. Vanilla pumping stations, which we'll ignore. Deliver... Okay, they don't give us anything. Okay, they don't give us capacities. This is perfectly fine. So they can just pump. Rapsis one. Interesting, but we need 4 in and 4 out. Unfortunately, we can't... Ooh. We can. This is a water tower. No. We just gonna build pumping stations. I think I'm gonna go 3 and 1 or something like that. We're gonna go for F1s. I'm not risking this. There's no way in hell I'm risking this. We're gonna make it right. So we're gonna have 2. We're gonna have 2 pumping stations, one next to each other. That's fine. I'm gonna lower the amount of workers working in there. That's fine. And lower amount of workers working here. Again, as previously mentioned, kind of fine. And we're gonna go for 70 cubic meters. Unfortunately, none of the pipes give us 70. It's 56.55. Great round number for some magical reason. And 127.23. Okay, so let's connect these then to the actual water system that we're gonna be using. 1, 2, and 3. I'm perfectly fine in this being a little bit on a messy side. Really? Go away. Looks decent enough, and the last one can go like this. I'm fine. No burning house around us. So all of these pipes need to go towards there. I'm also happy having these ones going something like this. 1. Oh, right. We need this. Perfect. 2. And 3, and the 4 is going to be from here. There we go. 4 pipes going to 4 pumping stations. So let's go and start separating them now. One over here. The second one is going to go straight forward. That's nice. The third one can go parallel to this one and then separate to this one. Less sharp angles. That's fine. And the last one can go and leech off these. So let's go in this direction. There we go, and there we go. Connect all of these, perfect. We're gonna have to get them roads going up the hill. Now let's do as little terrain bashing or demolishing as possible. So I think just straight road here to this farming area and just connect every one of these pumping stations to the road system. Hopefully it's not gonna affect the quality of water too much, but hey ho. We have a substation over here that should have the easy access to the to this area where we're going to be pumping water. We need electricity for this. Right. We can do it this way. Right here, and then let's go with big industrial cables going right there. We want to go with these. Why not? Why the hell not? Like this. And let's go just straight away there. There we go. So everything is set up. Water, purification station. We're gonna have to connect this to an actual system. That's gonna be a little bit trickier than you think, but I think I might have everything under control. I will not lose the current system. I will just supplement it. So, for example, I will be adding like this. Let's go underground and let's see the pipes. We have 3 outputs here. Now 3 outputs with these pipes is gonna be maximum of 260 plus 3 times 7 is 21, 280 cubic meters of water, which is perfect amount that is coming into here. So how can we just supplement the existing system? We just need to tap the pipes into where they are currently being pumped. So we have this system. I'm gonna just separate it in two basic ways. One of them is supplying water to the industrial areas here that are consuming water for industrial production, and here for heating plant. This is one area. The second area is this one pipe that has 70 cubic meters of water going into the direction of the city. Okay, so majority of water that we need to supply will have to go in this direction. So what I'm gonna do is build one pipe going from the water treatment plant all the way here, and I'm gonna go for this one. Let's go with the middle one. The second one is gonna be let's see if this is gonna be worthy of the second one. I was thinking about second one being over here. Yeah, let's do it like this. The second one is gonna be into the existing system over here. Now, how stupid Leaky was. Haha, pretty stupid. I did not plan that this is gonna be a thing, so there we go. That's fine. This is the second one. One is going into the... I could have separated those though. Yeah, actually, you know what? Let's do this again. I will go for the first one going all the way here. I will supplement this because this is going to be supplementing also this industrial area. By the way, one of the pipes goes all the way to the heating plant and all the way to the chemical or to the refinery. So that's gonna be enough. More important, where this water needs to go is the city itself. So what I'm gonna do from here is gonna have 2 other pipes going, one of them going all the way here, going into the second pumping station, which is going to pump even more water into the existing system, which is what we need. And then we're going to go for a third pump that's going to be over here. It can go a little bit further. I think these guys are going to be fine with drinking water, but we can make it from here all the way into here. Let's see if we can make it from this direction. Looks like this is much better. There we go. Okay, how much is this gonna cost? A lot of steel, I can tell you. So, Cheap, you wanted problems? There we go. Get that heart rate monitor out and start checking these constructions that we have set up over here. 100 people working here. We're gonna remove that. You can see that our happiness dropped to 72%. 72% being the pretty low compared to how it was before. So what we can do here, can we go from this side? Yes, we can. Just connect it like this and then anywhere to the road. Just so we have access to this construction from this side. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be our main focus. Wow, 24 minutes of me yabbering. Okay, time lapse, see you in the fun. Right. Okay, so there's no two ways about it. Again, a little bit longer episode, a little bit longer time lapse, all in one. We need to finish the pipes. We didn't even finish the first one. 23 days to go. Can we speed this up because there's only 12 people working at the moment, and they're ever so diminishing. Oh wow, these guys are working as well. It would be nice if we were more focused with this labor. I don't mind the amount of people working, it's just what it is. Happiness is recovering. Happiness is recovering. I need to check. Alright, I thought this was done. Okay, it's not done. We need 4 tons of bricks. I thought it's only pipe left. What about productivity? It was 80%. It's 88%. It was 80 or 90 or okay. Let's be on a positive side. Oh no, yeah. What? Unemployment only 200. Right, 400 people are unemployed there. Anyway, I involved the construction offices from the nuclear industries to help finish these projects that we have here. The water for the Murmansk. Unemployment too high, citizen happiness low. I know. From time to time they have hit. They get hit. Okay, so how do you guys monitor? Let me hit the comment section. How do you monitor water consumption? Do you go from time to time and check your like water production and stuff? Like, how do you do it? Just wondering. I mean, it's a little bit too much. Like, it would be cool if we had a panel, like city panel or something. City hall. Is there a city hall? Am I a dumbass? Yes, I am, but like water. Interesting. Is that it? Okay, sure. I don't know if any of you ever used this, but this kind of helps-ish. Waste doesn't really tell us much because like this is how much waste water we are producing. Is it like how much we can transport per pipe, which is like 10 times more. Some of the waste is traveling through the city. Is it counted there as well? I bet that this is just the how much city produces, like how much city of Murmansk produces on this territory, you know. Well, probably. I don't know. Is this useful? I have problems with this sometimes, guys. I don't know if you do. But for me, this doesn't tell me much. Like this water here tells me that, yeah, we're consuming 176 cubic meters of water. But where is that water coming from? Because we only have one pump. Is the second pump working? Okay, the second pump is working. Okay, so is this combined equal this? Not really. These two should raise this to 178. 178 should be output of this. 100, not really. Okay. I don't know where the water that is being consumed in Murmansk is coming from, because they're consuming 180. This pumping station is creating 120. So is this like need for water is this much? If we provide this much water, is that gonna be enough for us? I don't know. Comment section. Hit the comment section, let me know. I think most of the projects here are already like, oh, I wanted to say assigned and about to be finished, but look at this dumbass. Okay, let's go and try to finish some of the projects. Plumbing here. Okay, it's assigned bus 2. You can go and work on it. This one is assigned bus 3, bus 4. This one we can, whatever, construction 4. Go and finish this. Small water well. Bus 1. Construction 3. This construction 3, that means that there's a lot of these constructions that need to be finished, and I assigned the multiple construction offices to these projects. I can double up. I'll go into a little bit more details, and I'm gonna go and check. Here we have construction 3. You don't have construction vehicle? There's no construction vehicle on the way. So let's go and assign the bus 2, bus industrial 2 to this construction. It's already set as high. Here we have nothing. So let's go with bus 3. Bus 3, go away. There we go. Rest of them are busy. We have this one. I could have... what are you assigned to? Water well. Why is there no... Because it's on the way, probably. Yeah. Oh no, this guy. Ah, son of a gun. This is the stupidest crane ever. It goes 15 kilometers per hour, and if you assign it like me on something far away, people are gonna finish this project faster than we will. So anyway, you can see here the next big construction project, is not anymore this. All the materials are delivered. Now it's the water treatment plant itself, and it's being constructed over here. I talked enough. I'm gonna leave you alone. Thank you for watching. Happy Sunday. If you want to support the channel, Leaky Likes Coffee, description of the video, Patreon and all that kind of stuff, link in the description of the video. Have a nice Sunday. See you next time. Bye bye.